Hello people and welcome back to Caughtr on DashCam, a channel where you can find all the craziest and most epic moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. We got all sorts of crazy encounters from the roads, and this episode is definitely not going to disappoint you. With that being said, all that's left for us is to sit back and enjoy the show.
No. Plow truck just went right over in front of me. Almost.
A biker was vlogging on the roads of LA County, but this police officer had a problem with his behavior. No one is supposed to act beyond the law and regulations, and not even bikers on fast bikes. This is what I've been talking about the entire time. One small mistake by one driver can cause a lot of damage to a lot of drivers.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This is usually what happens when we have some distracted drivers in traffic. The guy that was behind the camera got distracted by his phone, and as a result, he rear-ended the camera.
Everyone eventually sees what trucks carry inside. Food for your shelves. Goods to help a community, products that keep a business running. What they don't see is what the trucker carries. But we do. We see you. We see you carry a career that helps grow communities. Inside you is the commitment to deliver a job well done. We know it's what's inside that matters most, and we thank you.
Oh my God. I don't understand why you need a new car, or like another car. But I just want to have one car, okay? You can have one car. When your bitch breaks down, because you don't have an
Oh my
extra car.
God, there was just an accident in front of me.
Dump truck driver pulled out in front of the camera without making sure if it's safe first. This type of driving will get him in trouble one day. This is what happens when truck drivers don't pay attention to the road at all. The camera got pushed off the road completely by another trucker. And with this cool clip, we conclude today's episode on Caughtr on DashCam channel. I hope that it was entertaining and fun to watch, but more importantly, I hope you guys learned something out of the mistakes of these drivers. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you already have the opportunity to? If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Thank you for all your support so far, and until the next episode, drive safe and eyes wide open.